Look at these storms here. March 19th, 2010. I'd love to chase the storm right now, but I really can't because I don't got time to go after it because it's already going off. If you look really closely, you can see that it's kind of starting to lightening out here. Like every once in a while, you see it in the clouds while I'm panning around here. But really, you just like see a flash on the screen from and it's not my fault, of course. But look there, we got a little peak of light over there. It's kind of cool. But I don't think it's that light over there interfering with anything. It's definitely not that light. It's definitely these clouds. We got the possibility of some severe right now here in Fort Worth area. Yeah, like I kind of saw the lightning fork across the screen a little bit. Take a look out east, north, west, and south, but mainly west is what I'm focusing on right now, and northwest and north. Because, of course, all storms do start out mostly coming to the southwest or the northwest or the north or southwest areas, or usually just west, actually, just for the record. And but take a look at that one peak of light over there. That's kind of ominous up there. And then we got some holes in the clouds, but definitely here, this looks like complete thunderheads. I'm not even kidding, it looks like thunderheads. There's people outside working right now. But, see, the lake's pretty calm here. In the neighborhood, my private neighborhood lake here. It's pretty calm. Pretty good night. It's kind of getting a little bit chilly out here. Last time I checked on the news, weather, it was about going into the 60s, but it's not bad. Definitely right now. You see, I'm kind of just panning around in circles here, 360 degrees, and see there's people out walking the animals tonight. But I'm focused on that light, the little splotch of light. The sun's kind of a little bit out right now. Usually about this time it's still kind of out, but right now it's not all the way out. It's not out like normal. So it's kind of ominous right now. But